Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. I'm going to talk a little bit about the brand Anlin and why I feel so strongly about them as being the best vinyl window that you can get. The thing I love about Anlin, and I've sold a lot of windows, I've sold Milgards, I've sold Pellas, nothing wrong with them. They're a great window system. They've been around a long time. They're tried and true. Now, the difference though, that I really feel that Anlin stands above everybody is their design and their features, and obviously their warranty. I want to talk mainly in this video about the design and where they were coming from when they were designing the actual windows themselves. When you have a single sliding window like this guy here, that only one side slides, you have the slide, and then you have the screen, and then you have the fixed panel. In a lot of other vinyl window manufacturers, they're gonna use this exact same extrusion for a single hung. They'll use the same exact extrusion for a picture window. They'll take a window like this, they'll take out the slider, and the fixed panel itself will be extended to the other side where the screen would be. There would be obviously no screen because it's a picture window, and what they would do is they would take a filler like this that's extended all the way, the total width, the total height, all four sides, and they'll snap this into place like this. And then that will essentially finish it off, because you're not gonna, you're gonna have this in, you're gonna look around and go, okay, well, it's obviously not a slider because there's no pull rail, there's no locks, there's nothing. So they've achieved what they had to achieve. Then, if they wanted a single hung, they could simply take the window frame, stand it up on its side, and take what they call block and tackle balancers. And that allows them to install the window without tilting it and have it catch on block and tackle, and you lift up and down. Now you have three style of windows with one style frame, one extrusion that gets welded together. Why would they do that? Savings. It saves them money. It's way easier to do it like that. Now, this little sample window here, this is an Anlin picture window. Now, you can see how sleek this is. I mean, it's a small little window. It's only like 12 by 12, but it's extruded and welded to be a picture window. There's no pocket fillers, very clean, beautiful look. This is part of the thought process that Anlin, they decided everything should have its own extrusion for beauty, aesthetics, and strength and durability. You have the single hungs and double hungs. Obviously, a double hung window cannot have the same frame as a single hung because they're gonna be deeper because you have two active sashes. So when Anlin decided to build their single hung, they made it to where it had its own extrusion because they wanted to have tilt-in feature and the ability to pull the sash completely out for cleaning. That was a must-have when Anlin was designing their window. They want every single window to have its own extrusion. I've said it before, I'll say it again. So that is the reason that I feel like Anlin really is a cut above. The casement is a standalone. I mean, any window manufacturer has to have their own style frames for the casements. It's just, there's not a window out there that's gonna use a single sliding window and try to make a casement. They're never gonna do that. So everybody has their own profiles for their casement windows. But again, it comes down to the single hung, single slider, picture window. That's where they were like, everything has to be completely different so it looks absolutely gorgeous. The warranty, double lifetime warranty, accidental glass breakage is included. You can paint the exterior black, green, red, whatever you want. Anlin has 12 colors to choose from. Talking to my people, they are working on getting it to where you can have black on the inside, black on the outside. It will not be painted. So we'll do future videos on that. But for as of right now, it's black on the outside, and then you'll have either tan, white, or adobe for the inside. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, maybe you have Anlin windows, or maybe you disagree. Comment section for people to read. All right, guys, make it a great day. Talk soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.